guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, I want to do a quick review on the ab wheel with the elbow support. So I don't know if you guys have seen these, but I was curious to see how this would work for someone that is starting out and wanting to work their way up to the ab wheel without elbow support, or someone that just needs that extra support for stability. It came with a little pad for your knees, and it came with a little timer so you can time yourself to see how long you want to go for, of course. Now at first glance I was like, oh, this is a contraption, this is something, right? But and the little timer, it's a little magnet and it sticks right up there so you can watch yourself, watch how much time you have as you go. I typically don't use that because I have my own timer where I just count my reps. So first few tips, I want to show you the right form if you're going to use this. Even though you have the elbow pads, you still want to make sure, the elbow support I mean, you still want to make sure that you're using the right form, because you could still hurt your back, and that's the last thing you want to do. So with any exercise, you want to make sure your form is right. So of course you want to always keep your abs in nice and tight. On this, you want to place your elbows right, just let them rest comfortably right on that pad there. And you're holding your hands right at the rubber grips here. So you're starting out here, you're on your knees. And when you go out as far as you can, right? So if you feel your back starting to cave in or collapse, or you feel yourself wanting to arch like this or stick your butt out like that, that's not it. That's not it. You want to keep your form no matter how far you can go down. So you want to roll out, go as far as you can without losing your form, and then bring it back in. So if you notice, first of all, I'm using it on the carpet. That's totally fine. I typically would probably put a towel down. I don't think it's going to damage my carpet, but this is where I do exercise at. But you would probably want to do it on a hard floor or lay a mat or a towel down. It works just as good. But when I came up, a lot of people want to go down and then they want to use they want to do this. They want to stick their butt up, and that's easy because you're pulling yourself up using your legs and your butt. That's not working your core. You're not getting the benefit of the exercise, right? So again, you want to go out as low as you can. Pull using and the muscles, when you're doing this, you want to think of what muscles you're using, right? Your core, your lats. That's what you're doing. You are bringing that in here. Pull. See, I'm pulling. My abs are in tight. And then I'm bringing myself back. But I'm definitely not sticking my butt up and then rolling my arms in like that. So you definitely want to concentrate on how your form is when you're doing this exercise, because it's so easy to hurt your back or, get back issues when you're doing that. So comparing it to the ab wheel without the elbow support, much easier if this is how you want to start out. But if this is just what you want to do, it's fine, because as long as you have your form right, you're still going to get the benefit of the ab wheel, right? So I just wanted to show that to you guys. If anyone has this or was thinking of getting it, the benefits of it and how to use it properly, right? You always want to make sure your form is right. And just to close out, I want to do one more just to make sure, right? Got that grip, roll out as low as you can go, and then pull in that way, okay? All right, guys, so that's all I got. I just wanted to show you guys the ab wheel with the elbow support and the proper way to use it. And it just stressed how important form is when doing any exercise. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.